Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have NUBIA Red Magic S8 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. In the first step you must swipe up the screen and navigate to the calendar application. In it we can change view to be easily to add, and after that we press on day when we want to add our event, maybe 18th of February, and there we press on our plus icon and tap on event. Now we can add title of our event. There we can set it will be event for us or our family members too. We can add it to their calendar. There we can set when event start and finish, or we can choose it will be all day. Repeat of our event maybe every day, every year, or custom, what you want. Maybe we set every week. We can add people to our event and add our event to their calendar too. Add video conference, location, what you want, maybe Warsaw. There we can add that notification to that. One day before at 9 o'clock we can change color which we see in our calendar, maybe for grab, description and attachment to our event. And after we add all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.